Lucy, can you help me with breakfast?
Sure, Mom. Is someone coming over this morning?
Your grandparents are coming.
Oh, how nice. What are we making?
Pancakes, eggs, bacon, and hash browns.
Yummy! That sounds delicious.
I hope so. Your grandfather has a big appetite. I hope there's enough food.
Mom, you always make too much food. It looks like a breakfast buffet every time they come over.
I want to make sure there is enough food. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
Should I make freshly squeezed orange juice?
That would be great. Do you know where the juicer is?
Yeah, it's on the top shelf of the pantry.
Oh, no.
What's wrong, Mom?
I'm all out of eggs. Tell your dad to go to the store and buy some eggs. I'll start on the bacon and hash browns.
Dad, Mom needs you to buy some eggs.
Hey, Kevin, do you want to try the new diner down the street?
Sure. I hear they have really good food, especially their omelets.
Susan went there last weekend and said it was the best breakfast place in town.
Yeah, I heard the same thing from Janet. She waited an hour for a table.
I don't think I can wait an hour. I'm hungry right now.
You want to make breakfast at home?
Okay, what do you want to eat?
I'd like a ham and cheese omelet.
That sounds good. Do we have all the ingredients?
Well, we only need eggs, ham, and cheese.
I think we may be out of ham. I used the last few slices for a sandwich yesterday.
Okay, how about a vegetable omelet?
That's good too. We have green peppers, mushrooms, and onions.
That's perfect.
Great. I'll brew some coffee, and you make the omelet.
I don't know how to make an omelet.
You don't? Well, I don't either.
Let's just go to the new diner.
That sounds like a better plan.
Hey, Sue. What are you doing today?
Hey, Alice. I'm going to the market later. My husband's boss and his wife are coming over for dinner tonight.
Wow, what are you making?
I don't know. His wife is a vegetarian, so I need to make one dish without meat.
My mother-in-law is a vegetarian. I can ask her for some recipes.
That would be great. I'm a little nervous about hosting dinner.
You shouldn't worry. You're a great cook.
I've never cooked for Jeff's boss before. I want to make sure everything is perfect.
I understand. I cooked for my boss once. It was a disaster. I burned the roast beef.
Oh no! What happened?
I was too busy talking and forgot to take it out of the oven. We all laughed, but I was so embarrassed.
I'll make sure to use a timer.
Great idea.
I think I will make lasagna.
Your lasagna is delicious. My mother-in-law makes great vegetarian lasagna. I'll call her right now.
Thank you so much. I'll go to the market after you talk to her.
Good luck tonight.
Ethan, get ready. We're going to your grandparents' house for dinner?
Again? We went there last weekend.
That's right. Remember, we go every Sunday evening.
But Grandma's food tastes weird.
Don't be rude. She loves to cook for us.
I know. I love them. But she always makes the same dish, chicken pot pie.
Your grandfather likes it. It's his favorite, so we're going to eat it too.
Okay, Mom. Sorry for being rude.
Why don't we pick up a dessert on the way to their house?
Okay. Can we get ice cream?
Sure. We can make ice cream sundaes after dinner.
Mom, that's funny.
What's funny?
Sundays on Sundays.
That is funny. This will be our new tradition.
Grandpa will love it. He loves ice cream too.
Hey, Jane, did you eat lunch?
No, I don't have time. I have a big test today at 1 p.m.
You still need to eat, or you won't have energy for the test.
I know. I'll grab something on the way to class.
Fast food?
Yeah, I'll grab a burger.
That's not healthy for you. Let me make you something to eat.
Thanks, but I don't have time.
You never have the time to eat a proper meal anymore.
I like fast food meals anyway. They're quick and easy.
Let me pack you some fruits.
Mom, please. I'm in college now. I can cut my own fruits.
But you won't do it.
I'll take this banana. It's quick and easy. See you later, Mom.
Eat something nutritious.
Hey, Sam, what was your first job?
I worked at a fast food restaurant.
Did you like it?
It was okay. It was always busy.
What did you do there?
I took orders at the counter and sometimes at the drive-through window.
Was it fun?
It wasn't fun. It was just a job. We had to work fast.
I need to find a job. I was thinking about applying at a fast food restaurant.
It's a good place to learn how to work quickly.
I'm a fast learner, and I can move pretty quickly.
Also, it's a good place to learn how to handle customers.
I don't have any customer service experience.
They will train you. You just have to be polite and listen well.
I can do that.
You should apply then.
Did you get to eat a lot of the food?
I ate too much fast food working there. I got sick of it.
I love fast food. I may eat it every day.
That's probably not a good thing.
Hello?
Hi, Joan. This is Karen. Are you free for lunch today?
Hi, Karen. No, I'm having lunch with my mom. It's her birthday today.
What about tomorrow?
I'm free tomorrow. Where should we go?
There's a new Chinese restaurant downtown.
I love Chinese food. Let's check it out.
Do you think we should make reservations?
Yeah, that might be a good idea.
Should we invite anyone else?
Sure. How about Kathy and Lisa?
Lisa is out of town. Let's invite Kathy and Sharon.
Okay. What time should we meet tomorrow?
Noon?
Noon is perfect.
Good. I'll call Kathy and Sharon right now.
Hopefully they can meet at noon too.
If they can't, I'll let you know.
Hey, Steve, what did your mom pack for your lunch today?
Hey, Bobby. She packs me the same lunch every day. A peanut butter and jelly sandwich, cookies, and milk.
I got something new today. It looks like a tuna sandwich. I'm not sure I like it.
I love tuna sandwiches. Do you want to trade?
Sure, but will your mom get mad?
No, she won't know. I won't tell her.
Do you ever buy the school lunch?
No, it looks gross.
It's actually not bad. Some dishes are pretty good.
Which ones have you tried?
The spaghetti and pizza are good, but the hamburgers and burritos are terrible. They taste like cardboard.
That's awful. Maybe I'll buy lunch when the cafeteria serves spaghetti and pizza. Those are my favorite dishes at home.
They're pretty good, but not as good as our mom's cooking.
Are you done with lunch? Let's go out to recess.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, Bill. Are you hungry?
Oh, hi, Kathy. Yeah, let's have lunch.
What do you want to eat?
How about pizza?
We always have pizza. Let's try something different.
Okay. Do you have any suggestions?
How about sushi?
I don't like raw fish.
All sushi isn't raw.
I know, I just don't feel like having sushi today.
Okay. Then what should we eat?
Maybe we should just order takeout. You get sushi, and I'll get pizza.
That's a good idea. But I think I want Chinese food instead.
Chinese food sounds yummy.
Hey, we agree on something. Let's go out to a Chinese restaurant.
I'd rather eat at home.
We never agree on anything. Do you want to try a new restaurant tonight?
Sure. I'm kind of getting sick of the same place.
Me too. What kind of food do you want to eat?
Do you want to try Indian?
Okay. I've never had Indian food before, so you'll have to choose the place.
I've never had it before either.
Then why do you want to go there?
To try something different.
Let's check out the reviews online.
That's a good idea.
There are many restaurants we haven't tried.
Should we try a new one each week?
Yeah, that will be fun.
Okay, so we'll have Indian tonight.
What about next week?
Let's decide that next week, one place at a time.
I'm hungry.
Me too. Let's find a restaurant soon.